Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Jump Space game. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, then right click on Jump Space game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then go to properties. Now go to controller tab and here select enable Steam input, then close it and then launch the Jump Space game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again right click on Jump Space game, select properties, go to controller tab, this time select disable Steam input, close the tab and then launch the Jump Space game and check if the controller is working or not. Now this fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Second solution is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller or gamepad is working in Jump Space or not. Fix 3. Disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controller or display, phone, camera might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes your issue or not. Fix 4. Check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Fix 5. Use a wired controller. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and play the game as of now. Fix 6. Verify integrity of game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Jump Space and select properties, go to install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. Now check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7. Restart Steam or restart PC. So close the Steam from task manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch Jump Space game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC, run launcher as an admin and then check. And the last solution is to update Windows. So click on Windows settings, then on the left click on Windows update, then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then restart your PC once, and after your PC restarts, then you can launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you were able to fix controller or gamepad not working in Jump Space game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.